Mount Everest could vanish inside this massive trench. The ocean's deepest point holds many terrifying secrets. The bottom's pressure would crush a human instantly. 11 kilometers of water creates a massive weight. Sunlight can never reach these extreme depths. There is life in the pitch-black darkness. We know more about Mars than this place. Mariana Trench is Earth's least explored region. Man-made plastic waste was found at the bottom. This shocking fact is the ocean's dirty face. A crescent-shaped crevice lies in the West Pacific. This is the Mariana Trench formed by plates. Two oceanic plates collided millions of years ago. The dense plate began sinking into the mantle. Subduction is the main cause of this depth. The Pacific plate sank beneath the Philippine plate. First measurements were done with weighted ropes, but sonar technology proved the true depth later. Challenger Deep is the trench's deepest area. It has a depth of about 11 kilometers. In 1960, two brave explorers reached the bottom. They broke a record with the Trieste bathyscaphe. The submarine's windows nearly cracked from pressure. They made history staying only 20 minutes. Most people think life is impossible at depth, yet explorers saw fish even on the first dive. James Cameron dove to the bottom alone in 2012. He collected scientific samples with his special craft. He studied the deep sea floor for 3 hours. This dive was a big step in research. The bottom temperature's near the freezing point. Lack of light makes photosynthesis completely impossible. Water temperature rise is near the hydrothermal vents. Fluids erupting here can reach 400 degrees. These vents are the main energy source. Deep down, creatures feed on chemicals instead of sunlight. Chemosynthesis is the cornerstone of this dark world. Bacteria survive by turning sulfur compounds into energy. Mariana Trench still keeps its mystery. With life, humanity has explored very little of the floor. Extreme pressure normally shatters cell membranes instantly. Piezophilic creatures resist this with special lipid structures. Most people think deep-sea creatures are monsters, but they deform from pressure difference at surface. The Hadal snailfish can live at 8,000 meters. Its gelatinous body is perfect for massive pressure. Its bones are flexible like cartilage instead of hard, thus its body never crushes under high pressure. Amphipods use aluminum to strengthen their shells. They filter metal from water to build shields. This chemical mechanism allows them to survive deep. Normal calcium shells would dissolve at this pressure. The Barreleye fish has a completely transparent head. Its green eyes track silhouettes of prey above. It can rotate eyes forward to see prey. Most people mistake its nostrils for eyes. Goblin shark uses its snout to sense prey. Lorenzini ampullae catch even the weakest electric signals. Its jaw shoots out like a spear nearby. This mechanism allows catching rare food in depths. black sea devil hunts with a glowing lure. It creates a fake bait using bioluminescence. Curious prey fall into the mouth. Near light, these fish teeth make escaping from inside impossible. Dragonfish can produce a red light. Most sea creatures can never see red wavelengths. This feature gives it a secret night vision. Its prey never notice who is watching them. Vampire squid is named for its scary look, but it is actually quite slow and harmless. It hides itself like a cloak by closing arms. It is a rare creature living in low oxygen. Xenophyophores are the world's largest single-celled organisms. They resemble a giant amoeba, up to 20 centimeters. They feed by absorbing sediments and cleaning pollution. These simple creatures protect the trench's ecological balance. Bone worms consume whale skeletons on the floor. They easily drill hard bones by secreting acid. Male bone worms live microscopically inside the female. This unusual, parasitic life ensures the species' survival. Soft robots are inspired by these flexible creatures. Traditional, rigid crafts break easily under high pressure. Liquid-filled structures are designed to balance external pressure. These robots can move freely in the Mariana Trench. The centralized control systems increase the robot's durability. Electronic components are protected by embedding in silicon. Dumbo octopus glides deep with ear-like fins. It is the cutest creature at 7,000 meters. Females can store sperm for a long time. They delay fertilization until proper conditions occur. Thousands of new microbial species were found in 2025. This discovery proves how mysterious the ocean remains. 90% of discovered microbes are new to science. These organisms develop special genetics for harsh conditions. Enzymes from piezophilic bacteria are hope for medicine. Next-generation antibiotics could come from these depths. Victor Vescovo found a plastic bag on the floor. Candy wrappers were floating at 11,000 meters. Human pollution has reached Earth's most remote point. The situation is a great threat to the ecosystem. Microplastics were detected. In deep-sea creature tissues, pollution spreads from bottom to top of the chain. Mysterious sounds from the trench puzzled scientists for years. These sounds, called biotwang, are now finally explained. AI proved these sounds belong to Bride's whales. It's understood whales communicate at these depths. Mariana Trench still hosts active mud volcanoes. The floor moves constantly with sulfur and CO2 bubbles. 95% of our oceans still await discovery. This world of unknowns is the final frontier. Life in the deep is as alien as another planet. Mariana Trench is another world on our own planet. This silent giant pushes humanity's limits. Every day, every new dive reveals another surprising truth. Nature manages to survive even in harshest conditions. The secrets of the deep still await full discovery. Perhaps the true origin of life lies here. Scientists continue searching for life's beginning here. Remember this depth next time you see the sea. Another world beneath you might still await discovery. Subscribe now. Add value to yourself.